Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about strong feelings. Yesterday, the boy felt frustrated. It was a strong feeling. His body was uncomfortable. So today we're going to talk about another strong feeling. What do you see here? What do you think is happening? Do you see the girl? She's sitting on the floor. She looks like she's tying her shoe, but look at her face. What does her face tell you? She's trying to tie her shoe, but she can't. She can't seem to get it right. So she gets frustrated. She tried to tie her other shoe and couldn't. So she threw it behind her. And she started crying. Think about Tatiana. If you think she's having a strong feeling, clap 2 times. Tatiana feels very frustrated. Frustrated feelings can happen when you're trying to do something and it's really hard. Maybe you're doing a puzzle and can't get the pieces to fit. Like the boy yesterday was frustrated when he was cut off the wrong part of his paper. Does your body feel comfortable or uncomfortable when you feel frustrated? Uncomfortable. If you agree, raise your hand. Feeling uncomfortable is a clue that you might need to calm down. Yesterday, boy learned 2 things to do so that he could calm down. Let's do them together. First, put your hands on your tummy. Then say stop. Let's practice doing this 2 times. Put your hands on your belly. Stop. Tatiana feels very frustrated about having to tie her shoes. What can she do to begin calming down? Yes, put her hands on her tummy to say stop. Boys and girls, today you learned how to begin calming down when you have strong feelings.